Yeah, man. It's day 43, dude. Yeah. Getting it done. And it's French Fridays. I found like a song I want to use for French Fridays intro. So I'll just do it now, see how it goes, and then hopefully I'll make it better later, because I haven't written lyrics. Okay. Gotta have some sound on, okay? Let's go. So it is French Fridays, gonna have some fun today. Gonna learn some French on Friday, cause it's French Friday today. French Friday, we gotta learn some French. Gonna learn some French today. French Friday, we gotta learn some French. Learn some French today. Yeah. That was more embarrassing than it needed to be, probably. I started too high. Doesn't matter. I'll hopefully include it in. And with no autotune, it's gonna sound... yeah, not good. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna write some lyrics and I'm gonna record the intro. I'm thinking cause on Sunday I'm gonna be busy. Very busy. So I have to be ready to either do more sketchy stuff now, sketchy Sunday stuff, or I have to do it tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm working the evening shift, so it's gonna be a busy day. Busy day. Tomorrow and on Sunday, busy. So I have to be ready to have something to post on Sunday. And I'm not sure what yet. But I found another song that I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make something to it. I don't know what yet. I just have to at least get comfortable enough to do it. And then we'll see. I think it might be at least a bit entertaining. It can't be too long and not too short. We'll see. I'll have fun with it, I think, either way. And today, dude, after work, went to the gym, did the gym, then came home, then went out, played some soccer, and now I'm doing this stuff, and I'm gonna do the French. So I'm on a good track, man. On the right path, dude. Blowing up. We're blowing up. So yeah, that was very good. And now I'm hungry as a burl skewer. And I should eat something. But I'll wait for Vera to come home and we'll make the dinner time, dude. Hopefully I'll have the dinner ready for when she gets home, so we can eat right away and she'll be happy with the food in the stomachi. Eh? Yeah, man! Okay, enough stalling. I am just stalling. I hope you're here for the French lesson. It's probably just me and my buddy, who's watching me every day, cause he's a supporting man. Supportive. Okay, I can't find it. Come on, Anki, yes. And I don't remember how to record the screen. Yeah, another thing actually, I think maybe I'm actually through all the cards. So now it's just repetition, maybe. It feels that way, and it looks that way. No new cards. So either I'm finished with all the cards, or it's just a couple days of repetition. I'm not sure. I will find it out. But that means I'm ready for the next step, dude. And I'm excited, and I have to check if I'm supposed to add cards upon the stock I already have, or if I'm supposed to add a new one. I have to check, dude. Pew! Bada. But it don't matter right now. We're gonna do the French for today, and then we wanna find it out later, you know? Yeah. Yep. Full screen it. I hope I'm in frame enough. I'll assume. And we gotta record. Hopefully it is recording. Let's do this. There you go. To review, no new ones. So I think I'm done, dude. But we'll practice either way, because we have to. And I think it's brosse. Brosse. Yes, good. Brosse. Gant.
En. Gant.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I forgot to pronounce how you pronounce the aunt. En. Gant. One more time.
Gant.
Gant. Okay, easy. Les yeux, I think. Les yeux. Why is it a Z? I'm not sure. It's a Z, I think. Les yeux. And the EU should be a E.
Z.
Good.
Les yeux.
Good. I hate that one. I forget it all the time. But it makes sense, sort of. Les yeux. Les yeux. And the Y is a J. What's it? Y? Y is a... I don't know. I will put it in. Good. Les yeux. Or, I think. Menton. 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 Why is it like that? Menton. 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 And they pronounce a bit of the N, I think.
Menton.
Menton. Menton. Menton. I think is what I said. Really don't remember. Menton.
Menton.
Menton. And yeah, menton. Okay. I have had it before. Poupée, I think. Poupée. 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 Ah, maybe it's poopy. No.
Poupée.
Poupée. Difficult. Poupée. It's not difficult, but I forgot. Poupée. Poupée.
Poupée.
Poupée. Earthy. Well, never really know. Earthy, maybe. On the right here.
Earthy.
Nope. Earthy. I don't really like it.
C.
I put it in easy because I hate it. So I just wanna not practice that one. Not the best strategy.
C.
C. This one.
C.
Yeah.
C.
C. Not easy. That's more of a E. That's deeper.
C.
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 C. Yeah. Okay.
Grain.
Grain. Grain. Grain.
Grain.
Grain.
Grain.
Grain. I think that's what I said. Ski.
Ski.
Ski. Some of them are just straightforward. Thank you. Ski. Yeah. It's like moine, I think. Moine.
One.
Yeah.
Moine.
Moine. Easy peasy. Canapé. Also straightforward.
Canapé.
Canapé. Although the C is a K. Usually it is, isn't it? Not sure. Canapé.
Canapé.
Canapé. Easy peasy.
Jumeau.
Jumeau. And I don't know. J? G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J? J maybe? Okay, I think it's J-O-U-M-E. What did I say?
Jumeau.
Jumeau. M. Oh, that's J-O-U-M-E? Jumeau.
Jumeau.
No, I'm not sure. It's M-O-U.
Jumeau.
Oh, I was way off. J-U-M-E-A-U. Jumeau. Why couldn't I hear it?
Jumeau.
Jumeau. I wonder if I'm out of frame. I don't think so.
Jumeau.
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 Jumeau. God damn it.
Ooh.
Ooh. Yeah, okay. U.
Ooh.
Ooh. It's ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, good to know. E-A-U. I spell it in Norwegian. I don't know why. It's my preference, probably. Preference. Sorry.
Crochet.
Crochet. Can it be C-R-O-C-H-E-T?
Crochet.
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 C-R-O-C. Yeah, I think that. Yeah. Crochet.
Crochet.
Sh. Yeah. Easy peasy, lemon on the squeezy.
Hen.
Hen and ren. So it's the English.
Hen.
Hen.
Ren.
Ren. Easy peasy.
Marmite.
What?
Marmite.
Marmite. M-A-R-M-I-T-E. Marmite.
Marmite.
Have to be, right?
Marmite.
Yes. Very good. Marmite. Marmite. Easy peasy. Chaussette. Chaussette, I think. I'm not sure. Chaussette. We'll see.
Chaussette.
Chaussette. So it's a O. Oh, chaussette. Almost. Chaussette.
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 Mouton.
Mouton. Mouton. M-O-U-T-T. M-O-U-T-O-N. Mouton. Mouton.
Mouton.
Had to be, yes. Mouton. Easy peasy.
Jardin.
Jardin. J-A-R-D-I-N. Jardin. Or it's
Jardin.
E-N, probably.
Jardin.
It was I-N. Balls! Jardin. And they say the N, so
Jardin.
Jardin. Jardin.
Jardin.
Jardin. Fudge. Okay, I put it in good.
Barrière.
Barrière. B-A-R-I-R. Barrière. It has to be B-A-R-R-E. I-E-R-E. Barrière.
Barrière.
Barrière. No. B-A-R-R. Yeah, I was right, but I said it wrong. Barrière. Barrière.
Barrière.
Barrière. Yeah. I think that one is a bit difficult, that one. Yeah. Yeah. Barrière.
Barrière.
Barrière. Was close enough.
Balançoire.
Balançoire. B-A-L-A-N-C-O-I-R-E. Balançoire.
Balançoire.
Yes. Very good. Balançoire. Soir.
Balançoire.
Balançoire. I put it in the easy one. What?
Étang.
Étang. Étang. Étang. E-T-A-N has to be. Yes.
Étang.
With the G. God damn it. Étang. Étang.
Étang.
Étang. Étang. Well, okay. It's good. Étang. What? This one? And an. Okay. Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Sandwich. Well, good enough. Sandwich.
Bog.
Bog. Well, never know. Maybe this one.
Bog.
Nope.
Bug.
Bug. I don't know, dude.
Bug.
Bug.
Bog.
Should have known. Well,
Tennis.
tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. T-E? Yeah, I said it right. I think I said it right.
Tennis.
Tennis. Tennis.
Épaule.
Épaule. E-P. Épaule. It might be, I think it's O-U-L-E.
Épaule.
And it's A. I don't know, dude. Épaule. Fuck. Lion. Lion.
Lion.
Lion. Fuck. Lion. Lion. Now I'm throwing, dude.
Cigarette.
Cigarette. Cigarette. C-I-G-A-R-E-T-T-E-S. Long one.
Cigarette.
Cigarette. Cigarette.
Masque.
Mask. M-A-S-Q-U-E. Mask.
Masque.
Yes, mask.
Anonyme.
Anonym. 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 A-N-A-N-O-M-Y. Anonym. What did I say now? A-N-O-N-Y-M-E. Anonym. Anonym.
Anonyme.
Anonym. Well, I got it at last. Anonym. Im. YM is im. Anonym.
Anonyme.
Anonym. Well, cock. Easiest one. Cock.
Coq.
Good.
Carotte.
Carrot. Carrottes. I have to guess how many R's and T's.
Carotte.
Carrot. 1 R, 2 T's, no S. Carrot. God damn. How is it not a picture of a lot of carrots? I don't know. Carrot. Carrot. Well, easy enough and not the right one.
Derrière.
Derrière. It has to be D-E-R-R. Derrière. E or I-E-R-E. Derrière.
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 Yeah. Derrière. It's difficult.
Derrière.
Derrière. But I said it right.
Jumeau.
Jumeau. Jumeau. Maybe you remember. I'm not sure I do. J-A-U? Or was it J-U-M-A-U-E? Jumeau? Well,
Jumeau.
J-U-M-E-A-U. What did I say? Not the right one? Well, jumeau.
Jumeau.
Well, J-U-M-E-A-U. Jumeau.
Jumeau.
Well, okay. That's it for today, I think. Synchronize. Well. I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure. But it is repetition. No new ones. I knew all of them. So maybe I still have to do repetition. But now I can add the second step, I think. So I have to figure that out. I'll figure it out now. I have to. Very good. Well, I don't know how long this is. It went on for quite some time because I did some of them wrong. But I've learned a lot, so that's very nice. And I just have to learn to use it in the right way. And now I'm gonna learn a lot of words, and I'm looking forward to that. I saw a snake on TV, I think, the other day, and my first thought was serpent. So something is sticking. And I saw a train, and I thought train. So I'm learning some stuff. And I like that I've learned how words are put together and what sounds are what letters. So I can figure out how to set up a word. I do enjoy that, dude. And it's fun to learn still. So I'll stop myself down now. It's been a fresh Friday, man. Fresh Friday. I wonder how the intro will be. It was fun for me, maybe it's fun for you. It will be fun for everyone. Fun times on Fresh Friday.